Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today we're going to do another decorative cross. Today we're going to do a cross, and I'm going to try a little different effect on it. Instead of having the CNC machine cut out the contour of the cross, I'm going to come back over to the other wood shop and cut out a larger border around it, and we're going to try to run a router around it. And so you just kind of give it a little different effect. I've seen a couple done this way, and really kind of gives a neat effect. So let's get started. Well guys, that's it. I thought it came out pretty good. I got a little fancy there and decided I'd do the rose red for you. I just kind of like the look of the edge whenever I went around it with the other router. And took a little bit more time, but in the end it's probably worth it. Just kind of give a different look instead of doing the contour around the actual edge of it. I mean, I'll still do a lot of them that way just because the machine will do all the work for me, and like everybody else, I might be a little lazy at times. Guys, if you hadn't subscribed to me yet and you'd like to, look down below and push that old button, and see you next time.